sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses from my window sill. Then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird's hill. And goodwill, you're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird's hill. When it's late in the evening, I climb up the hill and survey all my kingdom while everything's still. Only me and the sky, and I know people will see songs in the twilight on Mockingbird's hill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird's hill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird's hill.